Hello everyone. So let's continue our SQL series, and in this class we are going to learn about SQL addition operators. So what is addition operator? Addition operator in SQL perform the addition on the numerical data of the database table. In SQL, we can add the numerical values of two columns of the same table by specifying both the columns name as the first and the second operand. We can also add the numeric numbers to the existing number by the specifying column name. Okay, so in this lecture, addition operator lecture, we will create one employee table. First of all, we can add or we can insert some values, and after that we can perform addition operator here. Okay, so let's create a database first of all. So for this you can write create database with the name of employee. Okay, employee. You can select here and then you can run. Here you can see create database employee. It's our database name employee is created. Okay, what we are going to do here in this lecture, let me tell you. First we can create one database. We can create one database name as an employee. We will create a one table where we can insert the ID name, employee name, first name and last name. After that salary, and then we can write a table bonus. Okay, first we can create a database. After that we can create a table, and then we can insert some value in our table. After that we can perform the addition operator so that we can add some value in our existing table. Okay, so let's continue. Here we are creating an employee database. After creating a database, we can use this database. Okay, so for this you can use employee table. Employee table. Okay, select and then you can again run here. So here you can see use employee. It's the affected. It means it's running. Okay, it's running. After that, what we can do, we can create a table. First you can create a database. After that you can use the same database and then you can create a table. So for this, write create table. Okay, and then you can write a database or table name. So I'm writing my table name as a employee info. Okay, after that I want some column under this table. So for this you can write employee ID. I want employee ID as an integer. So you can specify here employee ID as an integer. Integer I want. After that first name I want. So you can write first name. First name as a varchar you can define. So varchar 10. I want my first name size is 10. After that last name you can define varchar 10. After that I want salary. So salary I want as an integer. Salary. After that monthly bonus. Monthly you can define bonus as a integer. Okay, as a integer I want. So here you can see I'm creating a table here, employee info. I want some data, employee ID as an integer, first name I want as a varchar, last name as a varchar, and salary integer, monthly bonus integer. So let me select this cell and then just click on here run button. So here you can see created table. Okay, so our employee info table is created. Okay, after that you can check your table. Okay, so for this you can write show and your table name. Okay, show table. So it shows all the tables. Okay, so let me select and run. Here you can see we have a employee info table in our database. In our database we have a employee info table. Okay, after that you can add or insert some data in your table. So for this you can write insert into, where we can add or we can insert our data under the employee info table. Which types of data? Employee ID. Let me copy and paste. First name, I want last name. After that salary, then monthly bonus. Okay, then you can define values. You can put the value. First employee ID, first I can add. Second, first name I can add as a Shivan, you can add. Okay, then Kumar, last name. After that salary, I am writing a random salary here, 25,000. After that monthly bonus 5,000. Okay, close, select this cell and then run. Here you can see inserted. Our data is inserted in our table, employee info table. So first what we are doing, first we are creating a data set. After that we are checking the data, we are using the same database. After that we are creating a table using a employee info name. Then we are inserting some data in our existing table. Okay, after that let's try to check your information in your data. So for this you can write select star from employee info. Let's copy and let's run. Select, see here employee ID 1, first name Shivan, last name Kumar, salary itna and monthly bonus is itna. Let me copy this cell again. Okay, so that we can enter some more value. Okay, so I'm taking 3, 1, first, second and third, writing the name Shubham, third Sanju. Okay, the here monthly salary 35,000, monthly salary 50,000 and bonus I am like same I'm adding here 5,000. Okay, so let me run this cell again here so that we can insert this value. Run, it's inserted, and now insert the last one. Okay, let's try to check again all the information. So here you can see now we have a 3 data in our table, Shivan, Shubham, Sanju. Okay, so we have a 3 data in our table. Now let's do the arithmetic operation here and try to add some data in our existing column. So we want to add here some data, okay, in our salary column for each employer. Here we have a 3 employee, na? Here we have a 3 employees, Shivan, Shubham, Sanju. Okay, so we want to add 20,000 to the salary of each employee. Okay, I want to add 20,000 salary in each employee. Okay, so for this what you can do, you can simple write select salary column, because here you can see we want to add 20,000 in our salary. So we can write select salary plus how much data we want to add and how much salary we want to add. We want to add 20,000. So we can write 20,000. Okay, select salary plus 20,000 as I am creating a new column name employee new salary. Okay, I am creating a new column name here. Okay, from where? From our existing column. Okay, and now select this cell. Let me explain you this code again, guys. We want to add 20,000 in a salary column for each employee. Okay, for each employee. Okay, so for this I'm writing select query, select salary I'm using the arithmetic operation, add plus operator, 20,000, as I'm creating a new column, employee new salary column, from where? From our employee info column. Okay, so let's select this cell and then you can run. So here you can see employee new first name, Shivan have a 45,000 now. First he have a 25 plus 20. Let me write here. Shivan have a first 25,000 plus, after adding a 20,000 he is getting a total 45,000. Next we have a Shubham. Before he have a how much? 35 I thought. Yeah, 35 he have. Okay, but after adding 25 he is getting a 55. He is getting 55,000. Okay, same for the Sanju. Okay, so here we are using a arithmetic operation. Whenever we want to add some salary in existing member, you can write a select salary in which column you want to add. You can write here which column, plus how much data you want to add, how much salary you want to add. Okay, if you want to create a new column, then you can specify as employee new salary, from where? From our existing column, employee info column. Okay, so here you can see the people are getting new employee salary column and the salary is added here. Okay, now let's try to check our previous data again. Okay, like previous data. So let's select and run. See, the previous we have a same salary, but after adding we are getting this much salary. Okay, now the next we want to add the salary and monthly bonus of the above table. Okay, now I want to add salary and monthly bonus column. I want to add both, like salary. Here you can see, let me run this cell, this one again. Here you can see right now we have a salary, this one, and monthly bonus is this one. We have a both different columns, salary and monthly bonus, but now I want to add both the column. Okay, so now I want to add, it's not here, let me copy, it's here. Okay, now I want to add salary and monthly bonus in one single column. Okay, so for this what we can write? So for this we can write select salary plus, I want to add two columns. I want to add salary column and a monthly column. So salary plus monthly bonus. Okay, as a new column. I want to create a new column here. So employee total salary, from where? From our existing column. Okay, so I'm just copy from this one and this one. So I want to add a salary and monthly bonus in one single column. So here I'm writing select salary column, first one, and then select this one, salary column, and then monthly bonus, this one, both the column as a employee total salary. I want to create a new column where we can show the both salary and monthly data in one single column. Okay, then from where? From employee table. So let me select this one and then we can run. And okay, select salary plus monthly bonus, unknown column, monthly bonus. Let me copy this cell from here, guys, because there is some indentation error. That's why I'm copy and pasting here, monthly bonus. Okay, yeah, now let me select and then run. Now it's created. Here you can see the employee total. First the employee having the, let me show you, different column here, salary as a 25 or bonus have a 5,000. It means total 30,000. So here you can see the total salary is 30,000. Our first employee, Shivan employee getting a 30,000, Shubham employee getting after adding the 40,000, and Sanju getting the 55,000. Okay, so you can use a select query you can use a select query and then you can do the arithmetic operation. Okay, now I want to drop this table employee info table. So for this we can write drop table, and then you can write a table name. Copy, and then you can run. See, drop table executed, and now I want to drop our database as well. So drop database, and what is my database name? So database name is employer. So let me drop it from here, copy, and then we can run. So here you can see the drop database employee is dropped. Now let's try to use this one. See, use employee unknown database. It means we have already dropped our column or our table or our database. So how we can use it? We cannot use it after dropping. Okay, so guys, this is all about arithmetic operation. Whenever you want to add some data, some column, one column plus like A column and B column, okay, then you can use a arithmetic operation using a select. Okay, so that's all about in this video, guys. I hope now it's clear what is arithmetic operator and how you can perform arithmetic operator in your query using the SQL query. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Let me know if you have any doubt in a comment section, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.